Welcome to the European media event in Barcelona to launch the new Ranger Raptor. Right from the very off, the Ford design team wanted to ensure that when you see even the slightest glance of the Ranger Raptor, you know straight away it's a Raptor. And that starts with this very distinctive and bold FORD grille, which combines with these C-clamp daytime running lights, combined with matrix LED headlamps. The track width is also 90mm greater than the standard Ranger, which gives it a much stronger stance and presence on the road. It also gives it better capability and more stability at speed, so it's both form and function. Under the hood, we have a 3-litre twin-turbo V6 with 292 PS. And whilst we're at the front here, it's important to point out we've retained our class-leading wading depth of 850mm.
Okay, following on from what James said about improving the dynamic driving of the car, we've moved the front wheels forward by 50mm, extending the wheelbase, but also giving us even better approach angles for all your off-roading. We've retained the off-road tyres from the previous generation of the Raptor, improved now for driving on all surfaces, mud, sand, rocks, anything you can throw at the vehicle. We've gained some more suspension travel at the front, and we've also added the most exciting feature underneath the body of the car, live valve technology in terms of Fox active shock absorbers, which can change the dynamic driving characteristics of the car up to 500 times a second.
Coming to the rear of the vehicle, we have the optional matte black sports hoop and tie-down rail, which combines with a power roller shutter. And we also have the unique Raptor badging that you can see here. There's also available a fractal decal package. We have a rear bumper design with an integrated step pad and a tow bar as standard. We have a proudly stamped Ranger tailgate with a black Ford oval, which is unique to Ford Performance products. Then finally, we have a C-clamp design incorporated into the tail light, which harmonises perfectly with the front headlamps.
Okay, shifting to the interior, Raptor comes as standard with a full suite of ADAS technologies, accessible on the left-hand side of the steering wheel through fingertip controls, and brings to Ranger for the first time advanced features like adaptive cruise control with stop and go and lane centering. Fingertip controls allow the driver to access and customise the features of their Raptor vehicle, allowing for adjustment of steering, shock absorbers and the active valve for the exhaust system. A very ergonomic E-shifter controls the drive line. We move on through an electric parking brake, a drive mode and transmission control switch. The vehicle also comes with 7 different drive modes: normal driving, sports, slippery, mud ruts, rock climbing and Baja mode, which allows for the most direct steering, most precise throttle, stiffest suspension and of course the active exhaust valve fully open for off-road driving, allowing for an absolutely thrilling exhaust note.
So the standout feature in the Raptor interior is the unique Raptor design seats. They feature premium leather and Alcantara finishes, which is matched throughout the IP and the door panels. They also feature code orange accents, which are replicated around the air vents and on the center marker on the steering wheel. The center console design has a best-in-class 12.1-inch touchscreen, which combines the Sync 4A with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. And this is perfectly combined with wireless charging, so you can keep that clutter out of your center console. Then finally, we have ambient lighting, which also combines with a 10-speaker B&O sound system for a really luxurious atmosphere.